Welcome in this online class of Jijavu Jnanatirth Vidyalaya Pathri Road Parbhani. Friends, today we have to see the information about science of standard 5th. In the last lecture we have seen the information about the 5th chapter, family values. Today we have to see the information about 6th chapter. The name of the chapter is Rules for Everyone. Can you tell some traffic rules? There is a lights of 3 colors: red, yellow and green. Green color indicates you can go safely on the road. Yellow color indicates see here and there after cross the road, and red color indicate stop, don't cross the road. Like this, give reasons why we should obey these rules. Because we not obey rules, that is dangerous to us. Okay, which one of these rules do you feel need to be changed? What other rules do you think are needed for better discipline in traffic? We follow traffic rules so that traffic moves smoothly. In the same way, there are rules of social life that tells us what each person should be doing. See here, we follow traffic rules so that traffic moves smoothly. In the same way, there are rules of social life that tells us what each person should be doing. So there is a different rule in different conditions, in social life, in traffic, in a school, in another place, that there is a specific rules of that field, and there is need to be follow that rules, and that is compulsory for everyone. Rules need to be made specify each person duties and responsibilities. If we follow the rules, our day-to-day life becomes disciplined. We can work more efficiently. If you follow the punctuality or the rules that is made for everyone in your society, community, in your home, you all follow the rules, so our life runs smoothly, life becomes disciplined, and with the help of that discipline we can work more efficiently. Okay, next, rules are meant for everybody. They apply equally to all. No one is above the rule. See, rules are meant for everybody. They applying equally to all. No one is above the rule. See, this is most important point. Disobeying the rules leads to punishment. See, disobeying the rules leads to punishment. If you have not obeyed the traffic rules, the traffic police will punish you, or that is dangerous to your life. There is no discrimination in punishment for breaking the rules. In this way, equality is the basis of rules. Okay. Change in rules for the society. Our society works according to a certain rules. See, in our society, community, that is run by certain rules. We make the rules ourselves. We follow these rules because they are meant for the common good. Proper changes are also introduced in the rules made for a society. There is a difference between the rules of society and the laws of nature. Okay, next. Natural occurrence follow laws of nature. We cannot change the laws of nature, the rising and setting of the sun. This is a law of nature. There is a happening of day and night. This is also a rule of nature. And the change in the season never stop. That is a rule of nature. In a natural rules, we can't change in that because that is controlled by the nature. Next, the law of gravity does not change the rising and falling of the tides. See, the rising and falling of the tides, the phases of the moon, all of these things occur according to the laws of nature. Nature's laws are constant and fixed. See, the laws of nature are constant and fixed. They do not ever become outdated. However, human law need to be changed with changing conditions. See, this is most important. The natural laws are constant and fixed, but they do not ever become outdated. However, human laws need to be changed with changing condition. There is need to be some changes in the human law after changing condition. The laws followed in India under the rule of the British were different. See, when India gained independence, the situation changed and the laws of civic life changed accordingly. For example, after independence, the voting age was 21 years. After 1988, the voting age was lowered at 18 years. These changes occurred after gaining the independence. Okay? Ask your parents and grandparents what rules were followed during their time at school. Make 3 columns, one each for every self. Your parent and grandparents enter the school rules related information in each column and compared it. Discuss which rules have changed and which have not. Always remember, boys and girls or men and women are equal. They must get the same opportunity for development. Next, see the picture on the screen. People of every age need to nourishing food. Don't girls need as a nourishing a diet as is given to boys at home? They feel only by brother needs good food. Can you tell how will you answer the girls question? In what other ways do you feel there is a discrimination between boys and girls? It is incorrect to discriminate between boys and girls. It is unjust to deprive girls of the good food or to prevent them from going to school. Such injustice can also be seen with respect to the other section of society. See, in the picture below, what injustice do you observe? So friends, rules have to be made to ensure that no injustice is done. So friend, this is information about some rules that is followed in family, society, community. The next information we have to study in the next lecture. Today we have to stop here. Okay, thank you.